Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I am super excited about today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be reviewing my newest purchase from DHgate. I can't wait to show you this. I can't wait to use it. I haven't used it. I opened it. I did because I wanted to order the organizer thing for it, and I wanted to try the one from my other Louis Vuitton bag in it to see if it was the right size. Anyways, that's why I opened it. But I haven't opened the other thing I got. Anyways, this is what we got. And it came in this kind of packaging, you know, just this basic stuff. So we got that, and then inside that was another bag. And then inside that was my new, but see now this dust bag would have been a really good dust bag, except for the way they stamped on this Louis Vuitton. It's like smeared and it's blue. So I don't think they're supposed to be blue. But anyways, you know, it's like, I don't care because who's going to see the dust bag anyways? So moving on to what I got. I got this. This is the Louis Vuitton. This is a replica of the Louis Vuitton Delightful. And I am so excited to start using this. Even though I am carrying a real Louis Vuitton Speedy right now. So I don't know why I should be excited to change to a fake one. But I am, okay? And so, as you can see, it's gorgeous. And it's got the Louis Vuitton, and it's nice and clear. And this is the something azure is the color. I can't remember now. I was going to remember, and I forgot. Anyways, and the strap is wrapped. So let's just get some scissors and see if we can unwrap it without damaging it. So that's that. It's so pretty. It says Louis Vuitton. It's upside down to you guys, but it says Louis Vuitton. I guess I could turn it around the other way. And then you can see that it says Louis Vuitton. Get up there. It wants to get away. There. Now you can see it. Louis Vuitton Paris. It's really nice stitching. It's not too bright yellow. The whatever this stuff is called looks good. It's not like bright red and falling off. So I'm super happy about that. The hardware right here says Louis Vuitton on it. These are nice. It doesn't turn because, see, there's these little metal things right there that keep it from turning. It's really, really nice, you guys. This one is really, really nice. It has the tan, what is that called? Piping? Leather piping around it. It has 3 Louis Vuittons on the bottom. Oops. It's just so beautiful. It has the pink inside. And it came with this little guy, which I will hook to the outside. It has a zipper inside that is open because that was stuck in there. And it opens and closes easily. Let me get my hand in there. It just slides like a dream. And I will leave that open. Well, I left it closed. Oh, I'm just so in love with this purse. It says Louis Vuitton right there. Louis Vuitton Paris. Made in France is what it says. It has the, where you can hook it together. Whatever those are called, the clip. This is a nice canvasy feel to it. I love it. I absolutely love this one. Now I did pay more for this one than the other ones I got. This one was, I think, $96. But still, it is gorgeous. I love, love, love it. And it does have a date stamp right in this seam right here. It says SP1137. I don't know what that means, but it seems to be important. Everybody else tells you it's there. So I told you it was there. All the stitching looks fabulous. It's just, I love it. I love it. I love, love, love it. I can't wait to start using it. That's why we're doing this, because today I got the insert. That's why I was waiting for this to do the review on it. So I got the insert. I did not get the insert they said was like for this one, because it was like a lot taller and bigger, and I didn't want it to be all puffed out all the time. I wanted it to slouch like it's supposed to. So I just got this small one, which is the same one I use in my Speedy, except of course it's red in my Speedy. But see how it fits? It's kind of loose, but still, because there's pockets on the outside of these things, and like in my Speedy, I can't really even use them because it's so full. It takes up the whole space. But with this, I can push it to one side or the other, and yet it's still got all the organization I need, and hopefully it'll still get the slouchiness that I'm looking for. I love it. I love it. And I'm going to set it down here for now, because I also got this, and I haven't even opened this. I started unwrapping it, and then I thought, you know what? I can wait. That one I had to unwrap so that I could test the size of that insert. But this one I didn't. And see, this one came in a Louis Vuitton box, just like a real one. And it slides out, just like this. Okay, it's supposed to slide out. It's stuck. What can I say? Anyways, it slides out. There we go. And inside is a wallet. And as you can see, I haven't opened it yet, so hopefully it's gorgeous. I'm sure it is, though. And I got this from the same seller, and this box was wrapped in that bubble wrap and taped on the other package, and then it was inside that gray package. That's how it came. And it says Louis Vuitton Malatier à Paris. I don't know what that means. I don't even know. That's probably wrong, but that's what it says. So, look at that. That looks like... Okay, well, there is a difference. This is like way... This one's like way brighter. But that's okay. I don't care. I wonder which one is more like the real one. When I was in California, my my daughter's best friend has, maybe not the Delightful, but she has this color, and but I didn't have it yet. So maybe when I go back, I'll take it and I can actually compare it to the real one, and then I'll add it to the information box. Anyways, this is what it was. It had this piece of foam inside it. Oh, I love it. It's got card slots on both sides. It's got, let's see, it's got a money slot there, and then it's got 2 card slots there and there, and then 2 more right there, and then it's got a slot in the middle there, and then it's got the zipper for the change purse. That doesn't slide too well. Might have to... Oh, it's just trying to be loose. Yeah, that doesn't slide very well. But it works. And it's got an LV on it. And then it's got the same amount of card slots on this side, but not the one on top for like bills. Oh yeah, it does have the one for bills. So it's exactly the same on both sides. with the card slots. And then it's got the change purse. And then it's got the Louis Vuittons. And it, I'm sure, has Louis Vuitton on the hardware because the hardware is covered with tape. Or plastic, or whatever this is that I'm taking off. And yes, it says, what does it say? It says Louis Vuitton. Oh. I don't know if you can see it there. It says Louis Vuitton. And I love it. And this zipper seems to work fine. It's just that little change zipper, which is sad because that's the one you have to open and close because you can't leave it open or all your change will fall out. Maybe I'll just order one of those little change purses and not use this part of it. But still, I wish it worked. I'm sure I'll probably use it because I hate having change in my purse anyways, so I'll just put some change in there and then come home and dump it out. So that's it. That's my haul for this Louis Vuitton time. Let's see how it fits in my organizer. Oh, fits perfect. See? Oops. Down there. There we go. Fits in there nicely. I have so much junk that goes in my purse. I'll have to show you guys what it looks like after I fill it up. But not in this video. In this video, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!